We're gonna make about 3 minutes. Is it on?
Yep.
Okay, what I'm doing, Steve's helping me, putting on the primer. We're putting in the rear window, special primer material for the special glue. The funny thing is the instructions don't really make any provisions for a brand new restoration like this. They always talk about putting the primer over the old rubber butyl leftover remnant glue. They don't talk about this. And I bought a can of this primer, this 3M primer before, and it was expired. And before I could even take it out of the store, I said, hey guys, gals, this ain't gonna work. You can back up, Steve, you don't have to get your close. I said, this ain't gonna work. Why? Well, it's expired. You can't use that. I can't take any risks. I can't take any chances of anything being bad on this car. So everything on this car is a one-shot deal. So the first time you do it, you got to do it right. Some people say use the primer on the glass. I don't know, maybe you think we should put it on the glass too?
Wouldn't hurt.
Yeah. So the new glass is there. We got the new gasket right there. With the new gasket weld stuff. Yeah, what is that called? Window weld?